We absolutely love tacos in our house. And so I wanted to try a different recipe for tacos, Quesabirria. But for this recipe, we're using ground beef. I mixed in some taco seasoning, add some water, mix it together. After I cook up the ground beef, I push it aside where the real magic is about to happen. I dip the corn tortillas in a red enchilada sauce and then let the shells simmer on the Blackstone. Next, I throw on some mozzarella Mexican cheese, and then I add the ground beef. After letting them sit for a couple seconds, I give them a flip over and let them cook for a little bit longer. While the corn shells are cooking on one side, I add the flour tortillas after dipping them in the red enchilada sauce. I give them all a flip to cook on the other side and watch and wait for the magic. The golden encrusted cheese on the outside. Now that's a Taco Tuesday.